Don't forget.
Peaches, girl, let me tell you about this dude I was talking to last night. Girl, he was all feeling on my boobs and stuff. He was getting my tootie wet.
Get it?
I was feeling it, but girl, I ain't gonna lie, I couldn't even do nothing because I felt kind of bad, because, you know, my period ain't even come on.
Girl, speaking of periods not coming on, like, I haven't had one in 2 months. I think I'm pregnant.
Well, girl, we need to go get you a test.
I know.
You need to do something about that. That's not even cool. But no, let me tell you how this bitch Tashisha, she won't come all up in my face. She don't know me, honey, because I get down. I'm not even playing. You don't know. I get down. I handles mine. Handles. Snap.
Handles X.
Handles and boo boo.
Handles and boo boo.
She gonna run up on me like she don't even know me because I put that all on it.
On it.
On it.
On it.
Boo.
Boo.
Nigga.
Nigga.
Anyway, let me tell you about how she won't come up on me. So I'm at work. I'm just the type of. That bitch gonna come and try to tell me that is not how you spell feminine. Bitch, I went to school. I got my education. Don't fucking worry about how I spell feminine.
See, that's what you supposed to be like. Female, backspace, delete, get up out my face, exit out of that one.
Rewind.
Bye.
Control Alt Delete.
Alt and delete. That deserves a Z snap.
Snap. And then, let me tell you how I went to the nail salon and tried to get my toes done. Let me tell you about that little Asian bitch. I know she was talking shit in that little ching chong 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 voice. I know, girl. I speak it in that voice. So you just not want to come and talk trash about my toes. Honey, with the nasty busters you got. Y'all don't know bubble gum.
No.
You don't know bubble gum.
Bubblegum and Peaches be on that. On
it.
Up in those females' face. Don't try us.
Thank you. Like, oh my God, they be trying to play me. And then when I came home after doing all that cute stuff for my man, let me tell you who I think that nigga was creeping with.
Who was he creeping with?
He was with Delicious. You think I don't know about you, Delicious? I'm coming at your neck.
Coming at your neck.
Delicious. And when I see you, it's a wrap.
I'm gonna snatch that fake behind weaver out your heart.
Cause I get down.
Get down.
Yes.
So fierce.
We gonna holler at y'all later because we don't even want to talk to y'all no more. So, oh girl, let's go get you that pregnancy test.
Yes.